Hello everyone, here's another video on the financial markets for buying options. In this case, we're going to use two indicators, and we start with an amount of $39. Okay, the expiration time will be 1 minute, and the first trade we're gonna use $20. And the indicator will be amazing later. Okay, OSMA and ZigZag. Alright, so let's set up that, guys. 5, 12, and 3. As you can see there, this mainly shows me the trend structured based on the waves. And oscillator, give me an entry based on the asset trend is below. Alright, of course, downward trend, I'm going to wait for the red value not to appear because it's going against the movement. Okay, I'm going to lose if I just perform that right here. I could mark red zones. Based 1 minute 15 seconds, guys. I also observe the 1 minute macro season on this. Alright, so let's change this to M1. Let's continually. Alright, guys, unfortunately, I missed the entry here. Alright, look at the area where I had market and well, I waited well. No, that's not good for now. We got this point. Look at the area again. Alright, guys, here's the rejection zone. I'm going to enter the downside. Okay, the OSM tells me that to go down. I'm going to give it 50 seconds as well. Yeah, that's revert. Here's the entry is gone. The close considers with me in 1 minute, and the price jumps a little. I enter on the downside. We have continuation. We see the price is falling, and it's okay. It's for an entry goes away. Sometimes it's better to wait for another point, or we can wait for continue the trend as we perform here. Of course, be careful when the price rises suddenly. We have to be very patient. We can usually think this to the candle's partners right here. All right. That's showing me the good value possible when one value does sometimes are very low. It may be one could lose entry. You would combine it for 15 to 30 on this. Okay, in this case, the price jump a little and the price difference could cause me to lose. But we need to wait. All right, so 8 seconds for this. And look at this, guys. We got a win on this. The first one. That was when follow the price continued to fall. In this case, I got it right, and the candle was red. Mainly the end I expected, not hump it up again on the downside. Well, we'll have to see, but when it's very low, we have to be careful with that. The trend could run out in reverse. Okay. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Alright, the same configuration, also oscillator 534. 1 minute expiration time. And we'll take it to explain. It's very simple. I got by ZigZag, and when it's showing this auction, my alarm was sound on this. As does indicator, well, the rejection zone is in entry based the price action zone, and indicator zones then confirm it. We click on the sell button, alright. We see the price falling right here. Okay, we got the highest point, and now just dropping that very fast. Okay, and here the entries occur more or less that week. Well, with our rejections in the zone here, we start to mark support resistance zone, guys. Where's the price may react, and based on that, the entry is made. We see that here. The zigzag is drawing a new high. Okay, yeah, but the trend is solid movement and it's bearish. You can see that, and come back here, it's fall more. In that moment on this back here, Is rejections. That's why one of the entry is there. Let's see the last few seconds for that. Can I get in again? 2, 1, boom! Oh my god, man. Good time. We gotta draw on this. Let's try this again. Okay. Finally, look at the next candle, guys, after the seconds. Look at this. Oh my goodness. The candles is rejecting me. The next candle is supported on the upside. And when I have super candle after close the first position in a draw, man, and going back in. Luckily, it's giving me the time. I lost it and give it 1 more minute. Sometimes we don't know what the price is going up or up, down. Going down. That wasn't wording course that time. It's sometimes unpredictable, and though we were a right scenario. If you are not in the right direction, we can lose this. That's simple. But in time, my analysis will prove me right, and that's what matters. Don't get frustrated when you lose a position like that. And if I see this, I said this, I didn't have enough time, but the entry point is position gain, and that's, look at that. We got a good one, $75 in the total on this, and $9 in the total in my account, guys. That's good. We got a good resistance pattern on this. I have 6 exhaustion candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 6 to 7 on this. And that's what you have to see. Patient. I'm going to look at this. $80 for the last entry and the financial mark today. Well, especially today, you're making the video. It's time in this holiday here. The new work session is not open. Okay, as already mentioned, Mr. United, I think that's no date. So our own see the London markets may be some strange movements. Suddenly, no sharp drops, no sharp rise because of the low volume. To liquidate it right here, at the end of the candle appears. After seeing that is not finished, I'm going long. I'm going to look, you guys, for the last entry as already indicated with by $8 and mark my entry point. Okay, I'll take it in explanation the downward entry in the Euro CAD. All right, let's look the scenario in on this. We see that it's not going up, it's going up, as you can see right here in this point. Okay. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. But it's fall back very strongly. You see the rejection on this using M1 and time frame. Okay, that is rise again and fall up and on this. We see that the price falls below the zone and they're practically telling me that is breaking. That's the entry criterion, that is our weight. Let's see if it was against support or not. If it doesn't support, then that is false breakout and the price is going to looking for the bottom. I gave the trade this 1 minute. Well, we are close, anything can happen. Okay, but the criteria is downward. And look at this, guys. We got another win. $150. We got $106 in my account. That same criteria, the zigzag and the OSMA, the price actions breaking zone and staying below indicator, the same thing. And that's continuing like this, guys. I'm going to enter the downside right now because I'm not point where. Okay. There are considered fractal points when the zigzag is low down where it is wave is format. Of course, we have to see that it breaks or not. But anyway, what would be the result of the video of the trades, guys? I increased my accounts. Okay. Very good, 39 to 160 times increased for a good amount. And see you soon in the next one in the live streams, and have a good day. Bye bye.